All right, got lesson 23 here. We are multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. So I told you guys earlier in the year that mixed numbers weren't all that great or all that cracked up to be. And this is another reason why. Okay, so I got two examples here: 2 1/3 times 1 1/2, and the blue example, 1 2/3 divided by 2 1/2. Have the rules down at the bottom. So see if you can apply those and solve these two problems, and then we will go over them together. The rules are very similar to what we just went over. Number one is the difference, right? So the first thing you're going to do is the right whole numbers or mixed numbers is improper fractions. So another check in the box for improper fractions. Another W for those guys. Second, if you're multiplying, just go ahead and multiply numerators, multiply denominators. If you're dividing, don't divide, invert, and then multiply, right? Copy, switch, flip. And then last, always simplify, reduce, right? If it's improper, you can keep it improper. I don't care, right? Improper fractions are fine, but just make sure it's simplified. So go ahead and pause, see if you can apply those rules to these two examples, and then we'll go over them. All right, let's go over it. So 2 1/3 times 1 1/2. Okay, the first thing, go back to purple for first thing I'm going to do, okay, is I am going to make these improper. So remember this little guy, draw the little C, and we are multiplying and then adding. So 3 times 2 plus 1 gets me 7 over the original denominator of 3 times, do the same thing here, 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3 over the original denominator. We multiply the numerators, 7 times 3. Multiply the denominators, 3 times 2. And we get 21 over 6. Can I reduce? Certainly. Can reduce both the top and bottom by 3. So we get 7 over 2 as our final answer. Leave it. Just leave it improper. That's okay. That is okay. You could also have seen that these 3's cancel, right? All right, the dividing problem. Let's go to the green. Keep it inverse. So again, make them improper. Make them improper. So 3 times 1 plus 2 is going to get me 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 2. When we're dividing, remember, invert and multiply or copy, switch, flip. So this is really going to be copy, 5/3 copied, switch times flip, 2 over 5. Multiply numerators, 5 times 2. Multiply denominators, 3 times 5. I get 10 over 15. Can I reduce? Definitely. Both are divisible by 5. So I get 2 over 3 as my answer. And I'm done. All right. That's it. Lesson 23 in the books.